repairing a hole here. Had the mix here for a while, it's just starting to take up now. I'll just start filling it. I've let the mix sort of harden up a bit. Okay, I filled right around it in behind there, so to give it strength. There's a bit of overhanging plasterboard there, so it's where I haven't had plasterboard, I've put it in behind the plaster and built out. That plaster's on its way to setting, so I'll let that give it about 5 minutes, and it'll probably be ready to scrape back for a final polish up then. I have left a little bit soft in here, but I can polish up with. I've agitated this section here so it would set quicker. I'll put most of that on. Okay, I'll be back shortly. Okay, that's about hard enough there. Just at that stage, just when you can peel a little bit off. I could have put timber behind here and put a bit of plasterboard in, but I've filled in behind the plaster, and there's a bit of old plasterboard hanging there, so that's going to be strong, and it'll be quicker than putting timber and a bit of plasterboard in. So what we're going to do is just scrape that back. Just cuts back like the butt of this CSR corner cement. Scraping back quite well. You just need to float over that edge just a little bit while polishing it. Okay, we'll let that take up a little bit more. That's quite smooth. And in about 5 minutes we'll better give that a light scrape and a bit of a splash with water and polish it up, hopefully. Okay, that's about ready to polish. A little bit firmer. Give that a little scrape off again. Give that a final polish. Okay, that's pretty well done there. Hope you've enjoyed that. It's quite strong too. Okay, all the best. Hope to see you again. Thanks. Bye bye for now. Just the final polish. So bring it right up. Okay, thanks again. Bye.